This quick video shows you how to navigate around this game. Starting here on the first page of the game, we learn a little bit about an environment. First, we're on a spaceship, and it's kind of clear that planet Earth is not doing so well. To play the game, we can first click on either purple or green links. Green links usually contain more information. For example, if we click on this link about planet Earth, we get a little bit more information about what exactly happened to it. Notice there are green links on this page too. One to return to the story and a go back link as well. We can also go back to where we were by navigating back in our browser. Purple links usually advance the plot of the game. For example, if we click on this purple link, we advance to the next section in which we're in a new area of the spaceship. If we continue clicking these purple links, we'll advance through the main story, which is a boring science experiment. But the more fun and second way to play this game is to type things into command line boxes when they appear, like this one here. Let's say instead of approaching Dr. Mars, we wanted to do a backflip. All we would do is type in do, and as you can see, as you're typing things in, suggestions appear. For example, someone has already completed a do a front flip command. If we wanted to select this, we could just click on it and press enter. Sick indeed. While this is an interesting page, there's not much more to it. So you see we can go back to where we were, like before, and we can also use this adventure history to navigate to a specific page that we were on before. For example, meeting at the Psi Wing, where we just were. Going back to what we wanted to do, if we wanted to do a backflip instead of a front flip, we would just type do a backflip and press enter. The game doesn't know what do a backflip means. It's our story to create. So in another video, I'll show you how to make your own story in the game universe.